Hello guys, welcome to new system test 2 and we have a guest here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's here. Alright, so the system is big. We have a lot of expansions and upgrades. Panel, still have that. I got rid of everything else. Let's see. I don't know why that trouble keeps coming up. It's supposed to bypass the battery trouble when you do that, but it just, I don't know. Still have a BG12LX, but I put a notifier thing on it. It's still a Firelight one if I can find the key. Yeah, see, Firelight. I've got this weird strobe. It's a Gentex strobe with an RSS plate. It's on fixed 1575 candela, and I put wire mold because, I don't know, I just did. This is on audible silence, and then if we go on the ceiling, we have a, I replaced this with a strobe, a system sensor thing. I think it's like an SCW, and it's set on 75 candela, and nothing's synced at all. Same smoke detector. If we go on this, well, I guess you could say it's a hallway, we have another BG12LX notifier. The wire mold's falling off the wall. Go over here, I put wire mold. We have a smoke detector, a notifier NP100, addressable smoke. I might test a few detectors today, I'm not really sure, but I'll definitely test at least one. If we go behind here, we have another NBG12LX. You can see it's pulling. Yeah, this one's single action. Here we have this, which is actually wired into the fire alarm system. If we follow the piece of wire through the wire mold, which is falling, and there's wires that are falling, that connects to this notifier addressable monitor module that is set to a supervisory. So when this receives a weather alert, its alert output thing will activate this, and it will activate this white horn strobe, which I put. So wheel lock AS set to continuous and fixed 30 candela. So you need to get rid of the fire labeling. And then for fire alarm, we have a system sensor spectral alert advance. That's set on 1575 candela. And yeah. And then up here we have a notifier smoke detector. I think these are FSP 751s. Yeah, these are addressable. I got a whole bunch of these. And if we go over here, we have a wheel lock exceeder. And see, I put wire mold. This one's set on continuous, and I don't know what candela it is because the paper thing that shows what candela fell off, so I don't really know. If we follow this wire, it goes inside. There's a hole right there. Go inside this closet. We have another spectral alert advance, the white horn strobe I have. This is a P2W, I believe, and it's set to the highest candela because, I don't know, I just felt like it. And then there's wires that go inside the floor. And I'm in the basement, so let's take a trip upstairs to see what I did. Alright, so I'm in my room right now, which is right above that closet. See, we have some wire coming out of the wall. We follow it up, we have a strobe in here, a wheel lock. I think this is ZRS. It's the strobe only version of the ZNS. 730 candela, and this is going to go in the hallway, because there's actually another spot in here. Go across the ceiling, past the ceiling fan. We have a smoke detector with wire mold. This is a Notifier FSP 851 photoelectric addressable smoke detector. If we follow the wire mold down, we have a system sensor L series set to continuous, and I'm not really sure what candela 75 it looks like. And then we follow the wire mold. We have another BG12LX. This is one of the better conditioned ones I have. Still an older PDI one though. If we follow this wire mold, we have. You guys are probably wondering, what are these two devices? I don't know why this one's on. But these are actually reset switches. Well, at least this one is. And this is a silent switch, and this is a reset switch, and there's modules inside that are programmed, and there's buttons behind these. So it's basically like a fake annunciator I have so that I can control the system from in here, since this is where I am. And then we have these, which these aren't connected to anything, but I just got these recently, so I have them connected just because I was testing them. See, this one's a monitor module, this one's a relay module, I can tell because it's green. I do have a few more devices I need to test. See, got a couple heat detectors, smoke, and another PDI VG12. So we will go back downstairs and we will activate it. Alright, we're back downstairs, and I guess it decided to go into trouble, so we're just going to pull this out because it's annoying. And actually, I'm not sure which pole. Hey, Jace, which pole station should we set off? There's one in the basement by the panel. There's one in the basement hallway. There's one in the boiler room, and there's one in my room. And by the way, nothing's in sync. All right. So we will pull this VG12LX. 3, 2, 1. This strobe flashes really fast. That strobe doesn't flash very often. Audible silence with the two strobes. And I need to find my keys. Okay, they're in my pocket. And we will reset the pulse station. It just paused my recording for some reason. We'll reset this pulse station. Just takes the key. See the inside. And should we reset or should I realarm with another device? Realarm. Alright, which device should I activate? The pulse station or the smoke detector? Alright, I'll do the smoke detector. Turn this light off. Alright, we are now in my room, and we will activate that smoke detector. I've got a magnet. Put it next to the detector and activate it. You can hear the panel, but nothing's going off. Okay, that's actually strange. Silence that, even though it didn't even sound anything. Alright, I guess I'll just do the pulse station in here. 3, 2, 1. We'll reset this pulse station. Key, okay. See, this one's kind of dirty on the inside. Okay. Thought I just heard the panel beeping. And I already reset everything else, so I guess we can demonstrate the reset switch. Don't know if you just heard the panel beep, but it reset and the strobe isn't flashing. We'll go back downstairs and I'll activate the smoke detector that's kind of in the main area. So I think I might know why that detector didn't activate. I was messing with some of the programming. Let's see, okay, that one's Atomos 2. Let me check something real quick to make sure I did. Make sure that it will actually alarm. Okay, go there. That one's on. Okay, I'll just do that one since that one's actually only program. zones properly. I'm not going to do that one again today, but I'll just go ahead and do that. So once this resets and initializes, I will activate that smoke detector in the hallway. Alright, we will now activate this smoke detector with the magnet. And this one's on verification, by the way. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. You have to hold the magnet. There we go. I do like how that strobe flash is kind of normal. This one doesn't flash, like, at all. See? Silence. Audible silence with this and that. And I don't need to reset anything, so we can go ahead and finish the system off and reset the system. Alright, so that's going to be it for new system test 2. I will try and test more of the devices in the next system test, and I do want to try and do a request system test at some point. So thanks for watching and have a good day.